Welcome to Camp Millican. This is the entryway to Camp Millican. Be sure that you put your blinker on early, whether you're coming from College Station or from the Highway 6 side. Please put your blinker on early as this turn sneaks up on a lot of families. As you enter the camp property, please stay to the right and drive towards this wooden structure that we call the marketplace. Here you have two options. You can drive up to Mr. Chad or one of the Camp Millican staff, where we will check your camper in and they can hop out with their materials, and then you can drive on forward, which I'll explain further in the video. Option two, if specifically for our Explorer campers, a lot of families like to walk their 4 to 6 year olds up to the marketplace, which is completely fine, but we'll explain that here in just a moment. As you drive down the White Rock Road, you'll notice cones signaling you to do a U-turn. We will also have a U-turn sign as well. Please do a U-turn and then drive into our main parking lot area. Here, this grassy area is the parking lot. You can drive all the way down where there will be cones designated where you can park along the fence, get out with your campers, walk through the entryway, walk across the road to the marketplace with your camper, and there we can check your camper in. Whether you have parked and walked your camper up or you dropped your camper off right at the marketplace, this is the path to drive back out of the property, following the cones, driving back onto the road, and exiting camp property. This is the drop-off and pick-up routine for the marketplace. Be sure you check your schedule, as I've designated areas for pickup and drop-off each day of camp. This part of the video is the drop-off and pickup routine for the boathouse location at Camp Millican. The entryway to camp is still the same. Please put on your signal early, whether you're coming from College Station or the Highway 6 side, to signal that you're turning into this cattle guard. This is the entryway to Camp Millican. Here you will notice there are no cones in the middle of the road because the boathouse is located about 1 mile from the marketplace. If we are at the boathouse in the morning, there will be a sign that says Camp Millican at the boathouse. Please make your way down this White Rock Road as we explain how to drop off and pick up from the boathouse. As you approach the gate opens at 7:55, as drop-off is from 8 o'clock to 8:30. Our early arrival parents, we appreciate you, but we are not ready until 8 o'clock. As you make your way down to the boathouse, it's really important to follow the speed limit sign, which is 15 miles an hour. As you approach this hill, be sure to stop, slow down, and look over the hill as it is a blind spot. As you go down, be aware that camp families will be coming back up this road, so it's important to share the road and drive nice and slow. Please enjoy the scenery, the wildlife, and most importantly, the beautiful view of the great College Station once you approach our favorite hill. As you make your way down this road, you will stay to the right, where you will come into the boathouse on the right side. Please be mindful that traffic will be flowing outwards on the other side, designated by our cones. As you drive in, you'll notice that the cones to your right block off any access to our overflow parking when we have events outside of Camp Millican. Please drive up, and here you will see two different lines that you can approach. We ask for patience, mindfulness, as our young campers and older campers are exiting their vehicles. likely dropping everything on their way up to our staff. Here you will be greeted by one of our camp staff, usually Mr. Chad, with a friendly wave, smile, and direction on which line to approach. Once your camper has exited the vehicle and has been attended to by our staff will direct you to move forward, pull to the left, where you will loop out of the boathouse area, and then you will merge back onto the same White Rock road that you pulled into for drop off. When you come to pickup, it will look exactly the same. Pickup for explorers is from 12 to 12:30, as the gates will open at 11:55, and pickup for pathfinders and young rangers is from 2 to 2:30. Gates will open at 1:55. It is very important that you reviewed our late pickup policy, as we charge $1 for every minute that you are late. Please respect our camp time and our staff's time, as we have to close the camp down and prepare it for other events post-camp activities. Thank you so much for watching this amazing production of Drop Off and Pickup. I'm Mr. Chad. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure you contact us through our outlets that you've seen through our camp communication via email. And we're looking forward to camp this summer for your campers to have more green time and less screen time. See you at camp!